Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Chester, and today we're going to be looking at a general market overview on how meme coins are currently performing. Okay, so we're going to be going through the top sort of 5 to 10 meme coins here from a coin market cap perspective, and then we're going to be going into them from a charting perspective and looking at potential breakout scenarios coming through. So the first one we can be looking at here is Doge. Doge on the 7-day is up around 5.58%, looking pretty good there, and you can see at a market cap of just under $15 billion there. Overall, Doge is obviously super bullish. We're on a bit of a pullback right now here on the daily, but that's absolutely fine. Still in the bullish stance overall. Let's look at the Doge chart right now. Probably would expect a little bit more downside here, as we are seeing a bit of resistance coming through from the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement zone here. But with that being said, the breakout zone that I'm looking for here is going to be this bull flag breakout. Hey, it might take a couple of weeks, couple of months for this to happen, but you know what's on the cards after that, guys. It's going to be around a 28% gain here to the upside. And you know what I'm doing throughout this, throughout these lows getting broken here. It's simply just DCAing Doge, because we know that this is going to be a huge explosion here in terms of the price over the next 6 to 12 months or so. Moving on to Shib, guys. Shib right now is currently at an $8 billion market cap, and it is up 3.23% here over the last week, the last 7 days, and over the last day we have seen roughly around a 2% retracement in the price. Absolutely fine. The crypto market is a little bit shaky at the moment with the elections and Mt. Gox selling into the market and stuff like that. So nothing really too much to be worried about on that front. But just be aware that Shib is generally just a pretty bullish asset right now to really be getting into, because right now Shib is on a pretty big retrace. If we just bring up the chart together here, I will show you what I mean by the retrace of Shib on the macro here. And you can see it is pretty insane here, just overall how much this has retraced since we've seen the bull market high here up around 4,511. You can see from that point it's just absolutely retraced like crazy, and it's very likely that we bounce along this area. As you can see in previous price action, we've bounced here very respectively to the upside here, and we are pretty much sat on that line right there. So what I'm sort of waiting for here is that break of the Fibonacci, the 0.618, and this support to essentially hold. Maybe we test it a couple more times, but the bounce to the upside should be relatively bullish coming through like so, right? And as I said, this and if we don't bounce for a while, remember this is completely natural after seeing such bullish momentum, and it's actually a really good place to be getting into Shib here, because we are looking at a sort of a price prediction here for where we're currently at in terms of Shib. Up to the current, so that was the wrong thing, up to the current bull market high here, then it's actually a huge gain, guys. It's around a 3.3x on our investment to the upside here. Crazy stuff there. Super bullish overall. So that will be your little Shib update there. Remember, guys, DCAing here is the smart move, and that's how you make the money. Moving on to Pepe. Let's have a little look at Pepe, see where that's at. $3.3 billion market cap on the cards for Pepe right now. Currently seeing volume up 16%, super bullish. Maybe there's a move coming through there for us to be taken advantage of. Overall, Pepe is on a bit of a decline. Absolutely fine, absolutely natural. We know this is going to happen with the state of Bitcoin and stuff like that. But overall, guys, if we are looking at Pepe on a macro market structure, it's actually pretty bullish, guys. You can see that the last high low that we set here on the macro was actually down at around 386. Now, considering we haven't broke that macro market structure that we have on other coins here, it's actually super bullish, guys. It's actually super bullish. This is definitely a DCA in my opinion, and it's definitely super underpriced in comparison to the next big run that we do have for Pepe here. So at a $3.3 billion market cap, I would say this is an absolute steal. I would see this at around $10 to $20 billion market cap at the height of the next bull run. At the height of the next alt season, which will be 6 to 12 months from now. Moving on from Pepe here, let's move on to what was next along the list. Dog with Hat. Yeah, Dog with Hat and Bonk. I wanted to talk to you about them very quickly, because you can see that they're in a bit of a fighting competition here for that sort of 5th place here in the meme coin market. and you can see Dog with Hat around $1.5 billion and Bonk at around $1.3 billion. So you can see there's not really that much movement in there right now between the two, and we have seen them fighting out over the last sort of 6 months or so. Who's going to win? Who knows? But I think Dog with Hat right now is taking the lead. Now, Dog with Hat has actually seen an 8% correction here over the last 24 hours. And Bonk has only seen around a 3% correction. So that does show us that the bears are behind Dog with Hat right now. And Bonk is the more stable of the two, if you are trading it from more of a sideways perspective. But anyway, guys, that is going to be it from me. Let me know what you think of the meme coin update there. Dogecoin, Shib, Pepe, and Dog with Hat. And I will leave some new coins that I'm investing in the description of this video as well. If you want to go check them out, you're more than welcome to. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.